Tragedy struck as a wooden boat carrying an estimated 150 Rohingya refugees capsized off the coast of Indonesia's Aceh province, sparking fears of multiple fatalities. The vessel encountered distress approximately 19 kilometers from the shores of Kuala Bubon on Aceh's west coast, succumbing to turbulent seas on Wednesday morning. Amidst the chaos, 6 individuals, 4 women and 2 men, were plucked from the water by Acehnese fishermen and ushered to safety in a nearby shelter. Tragically, it is believed that majority of the presumed casualties were women and children, unable to navigate the waters and swept away by relentless currents. Meanwhile, at least 69 Rohingya refugees are reported to have been rescued. Footage captured by local fishermen at the scene circulate widely on Indonesian social media depicted survivors perched on the overturned hull, all appearing to be male. Emaciated and clad in shorts, they frantically signaled for rescue, pleading with the fishermen for assistance. Amiruddin, a community leader from the Aceh Barat district encompassing Kuala Bubon, reported the dispatch of a search and rescue boat by Indonesia's National Search and Rescue Agency on Wednesday. The cause of the boat sinking remains unclear, yet vessels ferrying refugees from Bangladesh's camps often endure subpar conditions, overcrowding, and limited amenities. This tragic incident echoes a similar disaster in August 2023, where 17 Rohingya refugees lost their lives in the Bay of Bengal. Since then, approximately 1 million Rohingya have languished in congested camps in Bangladesh, exacerbated by deteriorating conditions in Myanmar post the February 2021 military coup, prompting many to seek refuge elsewhere. However, the reception for Rohingya refugees in Aceh has shifted in recent years, with growing resistance among locals towards their arrival, particularly those en route to Malaysia. At the end of February, Malaysia counted 108,500 registered Rohingya refugees, according to the UNHCR. This sentiment culminated in December last year when the Indonesian Navy repelled a boat carrying Rohingya refugees as it approached Aceh's coast, reflecting resentment over perceived spikes in boat arrivals. While Indonesia isn't a signatory to the 1951 UN Convention on Refugees, it was once viewed as more sympathetic to the Rohingya compared to neighboring countries like Malaysia or Thailand, where authorities have historically barred boats from landing.
Subscribe to One India channel and never miss an update.